The human mind craves understanding. It seeks to define, categorize, and separate. This tendency, while useful in navigating the physical world, creates a false sense of division in the spiritual realm. We imagine ourselves as separate entities, distinct from the universe and its wonders. This perception of separation is an illusion, a veil obscuring the fundamental truth of our existence. We look to the heavens and see distant stars. We feel the earth beneath our feet and believe it to be separate from ourselves. This sense of otherness permeates our thinking, leading us to believe in a duality between ourselves and the divine. We strive to reach out, to connect with something outside of ourselves, unaware that the connection already exists. This illusion of separation is the root of much suffering. It fuels our sense of isolation, our fear of the unknown, and our yearning for something beyond our grasp. Breaking free from this illusion is not about achieving something new but about realizing a truth that has always been. It is about recognizing our inherent oneness with all of existence. Throughout history, spiritual traditions have whispered of this oneness. Ancient scriptures and teachings across cultures and continents point towards the interconnected nature of reality. In the heart of these diverse traditions lies a shared understanding. We are not separate from the universe, but rather integral threads in its grand tapestry. The ancient wisdom of Hinduism speaks of Brahman, the ultimate reality, the universal consciousness that permeates all things. We are not separate from Brahman, we are Brahman. In Buddhism, the concept of dependent origination illustrates that all phenomena arise in interconnectedness. Nothing exists in isolation. Modern science, once seen as separate from spirituality, now offers compelling evidence supporting the interconnected nature of reality. Quantum physics, delving into the subatomic realm, reveals a world where particles are interconnected in ways that defy classical understanding. The phenomenon of quantum entanglement demonstrates that particles, once linked, remain connected regardless of distance. Actions performed on one particle instantaneously affect its entangled counterpart, even if separated by vast stretches of space. This interconnectedness at the subatomic level hints at a deeper, more fundamental unity underlying the universe we perceive. Ecology, the study of living organisms and their environment, further reinforces this understanding of interconnectedness. Ecosystems demonstrate the delicate balance and interdependence of all life forms. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals, each element plays a vital role in the intricate web of life. Section 4. Living the Oneness. Practical Implications. Recognizing our oneness is not merely an intellectual exercise, it is a profound shift in consciousness with practical implications for how we live our lives. When we truly grasp the interconnected nature of reality, our perceptions of the world and our place within it begin to transform. Compassion naturally arises when we recognize our shared essence with all beings. We begin to see ourselves in others, understanding that their joys and sorrows are our own. This understanding fosters a deep sense of empathy and a genuine desire to alleviate suffering wherever we encounter it. Our relationship with the natural world also undergoes a profound shift. No longer separate from nature, we become conscious participants in its delicate balance. We recognize our responsibility to protect and preserve the environment, not just for our own well-being, but for the well-being of all life on Earth. A world transformed by oneness. Imagine a world where the understanding of oneness permeates our thoughts, actions, and interactions. A world where the artificial barriers of separation crumble, replaced by a deep recognition of our shared humanity and our interconnectedness with all of existence. In this world, compassion becomes the guiding principle for individual and collective action. We treat each other with kindness, understanding, and respect, recognizing that we are all interconnected threads in the fabric of life. Conflict and violence lose their grip as we prioritize dialogue, understanding, and the pursuit of shared solutions. Our relationship with the planet undergoes a radical transformation. Environmental stewardship becomes an act of self-preservation, driven by the understanding that harming the earth is harming ourselves. We adopt sustainable practices, conserve resources, and live in harmony with the natural world, ensuring the well-being of generations to come. The journey towards this transformed world begins within each of us. By cultivating a deep understanding of oneness, embracing compassion, and living in harmony with the natural world, we become agents of change, contributing to a brighter, more interconnected future for all.